Have you ever wondered if a robot is going to take your job? It's a question on a lot of people's minds. But what if I told you the future isn't about robots replacing us, but working with us? Today, we're diving deep into the world of automation to uncover the difference between two incredible technologies, robots and their friendlier cousins, cobots. Stick around, because what you learn might just change how you see the future of work forever. And hey, if you're new here, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tech deep dives. So, let's start with the big one, robots. When you hear the word robot, you probably picture something from a sci-fi movie, right? Maybe a giant, powerful arm in a car factory, welding sparks flying everywhere. And you're not wrong. That's a perfect example of a traditional industrial robot. These are the heavy lifters, the powerhouses of the manufacturing world. They've been around for decades, since the 1960s, and they are designed for one primary purpose: high speed, high precision, repetitive tasks. Think about assembling a car, packing thousands of boxes a day, or painting large surfaces with perfect consistency. These are jobs that would be physically demanding, dangerous, or just mind-numbingly boring for a human. Industrial robots are typically huge, stationary, and incredibly powerful. They operate in fenced-off areas or safety cages. For a very good reason, they move with such speed and force that a human getting in their way could be seriously injured. They follow a pre-programmed set of instructions to the letter. You tell it to pick up an object, move it, and place it down. And it will do that exact same motion thousands of times, without ever getting tired or making a mistake. They are the definition of efficiency and autonomy. They operate independently in their own designated workspace without direct human interaction during their tasks. They are programmed, set loose, and they just go. So, in short, traditional robots are built to work instead of humans. Now, let's talk about the new kid on the block, the cobot. The name itself gives you a big clue. It's short for collaborative robot. Unlike their industrial big brothers, cobots are designed from the ground up to work alongside humans in a shared workspace. This is the key difference. You don't need a giant safety cage for a cobot. They are equipped with advanced sensors that can detect a human's presence. If you accidentally bump into a cobot, it will immediately stop its motion to prevent any injury. This built-in safety is what makes collaboration possible. Cobots are generally smaller, lighter, and much more flexible than traditional robots. You can often mount them on a table, a wall, or even a mobile cart to move them around your workshop as needed. But here's the really cool part. They are incredibly easy to program. You don't need to be a coding genius. Many cobots can be taught a new task simply by hand guiding. You literally grab the cobot's arm, move it through the motions you want it to perform, and it remembers. This makes them accessible to small and medium-sized businesses that might not have a dedicated team of robotics engineers. So, what kind of jobs do cobots do? They excel at tasks that require a delicate touch or can benefit from human oversight. Imagine a worker assembling a complex electronic device. The cobot could handle the tedious part, like holding a component perfectly still or applying a precise amount of adhesive, while the human worker performs the more intricate task that requires dexterity and judgment, like connecting fine wires. They can be used for quality inspection, machine tending, or even helping out in labs and kitchens. They take on the repetitive, ergonomically challenging parts of a job, freeing up the human worker to focus on the more valuable, creative, and problem-solving aspects. They are not replacing the human. They are enhancing the human's capabilities like a superpowered assistant. To sum it all up, think of a robot as a highly specialized, independent worker locked in its own office, churning out work at an incredible pace. It's all about autonomy and replacing manual labor. A cobot, on the other hand, is like a helpful colleague sitting right next to you at your desk, ready to lend a hand, making your job easier, safer, and more efficient. It's all about collaboration and augmenting human abilities. The future isn't a battle of humans versus machines. It's a partnership. As cobot technology continues to advance, we'll see more and more of these smart, collaborative assistants appearing in all sorts of industries, transforming the way we work for the better. So, the next time someone asks if a robot will take your job, you can tell them, maybe not. I might just get a cobot as a coworker instead. What do you think about this collaborative future? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And hit that bell so you're the first to know when we post new content. See you in the next one.